by the virtue vested on me by our Department of Education through our school's Division Superintendent, Dr. Lorenzo O. Macasukol, CESO 6, I, Gregoria T. Villamor, Secondary School Principal 2 of Mayinit National High School, hereby confirm the completion of this 224 grade 10 students of Mayinit National High School after having completed the basic requirements of the K-12 curriculum of our Department of Education. Congratulations!
Requesting Ma'am Villamor to please remain on stage for the giving of certificates. Also, I'm inviting SGC President Mr. Ayan E. Amper and Deputy President Joymi P. Mantong to join with us here on stage. Complete